Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Childlike Corner Set in Heartopia. So this is like a special furniture set that you will be able to get from the latest event, the like party event, I guess. You need 5 items to complete that set. Press on the Kid at Heart party event. And basically, you will need party hats in exchange for the items you need to buy. Again, to get it, just do daily quests and the other like quests they have. So you'll need the spring rocking chairs, the hopscotch mat. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And the stools. So again, 5 items, and as you can see, I've completed the set. Then you can go to collections, and then you can press this like present button to claim your wishing star reward. So that is how you can complete the set. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!